Cassie from Force of Nature, and today we're tackling a common question we get a lot. Is Force of Nature actually a safer option for my family? We totally get it. Switching from cleaners you've trusted for years can feel like a big leap. Plus, it can be difficult to decipher what's safe and trusted when it comes to cleaning products. Today, we'll break down why Force of Nature is a family-friendly cleaning option and how it compares to your traditional cleaners. First, Force of Nature is toxin-free. It starts with just 3 ingredients: salt, water, and vinegar. Using our appliance, those ingredients are transformed into a multi-purpose cleaner and EPA-registered disinfectant that kills 99.9% of germs without any harsh chemicals. Many traditional cleaners contain ingredients that irritate your respiratory system or trigger allergies and asthma. In fact, studies have shown that long-term exposure to the 3 most common ingredients in conventional cleaning products can be as harmful as smoking multiple cigarettes a day. Next, it's fragrance-free, meaning there are no artificial scents or hidden ingredients added. Many traditional cleaners use synthetic fragrances that contain phthalates, which are known to disrupt hormones. Number 3, Force of Nature is EPA-registered, meaning it's been rigorously tested to meet strict germ-killing standards. When we say we kill 99.9% of germs, we mean it. And finally, Force of Nature is the only cleaner and disinfectant to earn the Clean Label Project Purity Award. This means it's been independently tested for contaminants like heavy metals and toxins, a level of transparency that most cleaners don't offer. On top of that, Force of Nature holds multiple certifications and recognitions that reinforce its commitment to cleaner ingredients and safer standards. So, is Force of Nature a safe option for your family? Yes, it's toxin-free, fragrance-free, EPA certified, and committed to standing apart from conventional cleaners without compromising on performance.